Don't you know that you're beautiful, just the way you are, just the way you came. Don't you know that you're beautiful?
Good morning, you guys, and welcome back to another video, or good evening, depending on when you're watching this. I am going to be going to pick up a Walmart grocery pickup. I wanted to kind of check out the fridge, make sure that it's cleaned up and anything that needs to go in the trash goes in the trash. Just my same routine that I do every week before I pick up groceries. I'm gonna go ahead and upload more of these grocery hauls because a lot of you guys really liked them last week, and you can kind of see the different things that we buy and just depending what meals we're gonna be cooking for the week. So if you guys enjoy these videos, please comment down below, let me know. Also give me a thumbs up so I know. So we're gonna go ahead and just jump into the video. Then we'll come back here and I will show you guys the groceries that we're using for this week.
Didn't even see me, cases a day. Feeling every day like I'm going insane. Cause you and I are something I wish for every day. So I hope you look my way, but yeah, she didn't even see me, cases a day. Cause I know I am nobody to you, and it feels just like you want me to go now. But I hope you slow it down, hope you slow.
So the first thing I got was an 18 pack of eggs, avocados. I always get this brand or this kind, but these look really, really small. So they look really small compared to what I typically get, but what I typically get is usually a 4-pack. This is a 6-pack. I went ahead and picked up some of these apples. These apples look a lot better than my grocery store. I would rather get apples from Walmart because look at how great they look. And they're the same kind, the Honey Crisp. Strawberries, I think this is 2 pounds. Yeah, this is a 2-pound. I got a thing of bananas. I did pick up some fruit snacks. This is just Shimmer and Shine, and it has 10 pouches. I got a little thing of blueberries. So I went ahead and picked up some paper towels because we needed them. This is the Sparkle brand. I don't think I've ever bought this brand before, so I'll keep you posted. If you see me buy it again, then I liked it. If not, I did not like it, but it was a cheaper brand, so I went ahead and tried it. I got a big box of this Act 2 Extreme Butter Popcorn. This has 12 bags in it. The next thing I picked up was this stir fry sauce, and I'm gonna be making a stir fry, so I got this sauce. I went ahead and got these stir fry veggies, super easy. Then I went ahead and got the stir fry meat. This was the only substitute that I had, and because I typically get the ice drinks, and this is supposed to be a substitute for that, so I'll let you guys know how I like it. Hopefully it tastes very similar, and then it's also a 12-pack. It has like the 4 different kinds here. I went ahead and got some Zone Perfect nutrition bars. This is the chocolate chip cookie dough. It has 10 grams of protein, so this is for everyone. I also got these Think bars, and these are 20 grams of protein. I went ahead and got this bag of chopped Caesar salad. And then this is 100% whole wheat bread. And this is just the Great Value brand. I got a thing of this raw shrimp. It's shell on, easy peel, tail on. I got these sirloin tender steak. So I also got this lean ground beef. This is the 93% lean. I got some stew meat to make like a yummy stew this week. I got some of this Hillshire kielbasa, these sweet Hawaiian rolls. This isn't the brand we usually eat, but I'm sure they're gonna be just as good. I got a big thing of Deli Fresh oven roasted turkey breast. This is what we eat for like our sandwiches throughout the week. And then Ava's lunches, when we don't do Lunchables, we'll just add like some turkey slices and some string cheese and fruits, and just depends. So I got these 2 boxes of Cheez-Its, and I actually found it to be a lot more cheaper to get this kind instead of the box that has like the pre-bagged kind.
I can hear music grow louder. Top going down while we're riding. Nothing like us, babe. We be glorious. Looking real pretty like Kylie. We bring commotion, no hiding. No one like us, babe. We are glorious. So bang on the door, step to the floor. Stir it up now, right till the morning comes. We're gonna bang that drum, dropping the beat, all that we need. Turn it up now, right till the morning comes. We're gonna bang that
Okay, so that is all I have for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed this little hangout video with me and kind of got to see what we're eating this week and all of that stuff. Don't forget to comment down below, give me a thumbs up, and I will see all of you guys in my next video. Bye.